Are you all done?
Probably, and then I was waiting for
You're all done?
Yeah.
What have you eaten today? What did you have? Oh my goodness, what is this mess? Yogurt, cheese, and toast. Have a drink. Have a drink. Have some more. No, you're all done?
Yeah.
All done? Say done. Are you all done? Okay. Hold on. Daddy, get the cloth. Okay, Daddy gonna get the cloth. Hold on. Let's wipe you up.
Mommy?
Okay, let's see your hands. Hands. It's the other hand. Other hand. Other hand. Good. Let's take this off. Put your arm through. Okay. Hold on, let's do your face. Let's clean your face. Oh, you got... What do you have all over your lips? Let's see. Let's try again. Let's clean this some more. Again. Again. Ready? Okay, you want to do some cleaning? Let's get rid of all this cheese. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, we've made a mess today. Wilson's gonna like this. Okay, clean that up good. How are we doing, Ed? You're still cleaning? Okay, get it good. Get it good. Wilson?
This is Mommy.
Oh! Wow! Good one. Oh, you hit your hand. Wow! Wow, good cleaning. Good cleaning. What about over here? Yeah, you better get this stuff too. Well, let me slide you down. Clean up all this, please.
Really?
Good. Get it all.
She's back there.
No. Boy. No, boy. Oh, boy.
Is Wilson a good boy? Good boy?
Boy.
Good boy. Good boy. Is Wilson a good boy?
That's that's what Tammy was saying when we got to church. I guess we was like fine.
No.
Yeah. Yeah.
No.
So you're just gonna sit down?
Assistant boss. Mommy?
Pardon me?
Assistant boss.
Oh. Should we get a bit more here? Get that too. Clean that up too, please. Need more water there.
No.
Oh, would you like some more?
Yes.
Okay.
So what does she do? Is she on the bottle or is she resting?
Oh, monkey see, monkey do.
Okay, so she does. Yeah.
Oh, Daddy invented a bad game. Okay, clean all that up, huh? Okay, that's enough water. Now clean it all up. Yeah, wipe it all out. Oh my goodness. I think we're gonna need a bigger towel.
Not.
No? Here, let me get you a proper one. Here, use this one, Dad. Use the big one. Use the big one. There you go, use that one. Use the big one. Clean it up. Yeah, use that one.
I haven't had Friday off since like May. So I'm running 5 days a week. Just been killing. I haven't had time to clean the house and I mean it's starting to get better so I'm feeling better, but before it was just brutal. So yeah, next Friday start getting Fridays off again. And then Grace is working for herself.
Good cleaning.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Way off. Yeah, I was like, how pregnant was I? Had like 2 months?
Something like that, yeah.
Yeah, he got laid off. So it was actually the best kind of needed.
Boy,
So they got laid off.
It wasn't getting you.
And then that
You must be sitting on some good treats.
a kiss. Mommy?
Monday, Thursday, but and then he doesn't work Friday night, so he's like, it
Kiss.
works out good because the way it is like when Graham gets contracts, it's been subcontracted to Continental Welding, but it's been 3 weeks since I'm here because he got all the insurance. Like the insurance. So whenever Graham gets contracts,
Good
Oh, yeah.
boy.
so he can work out there.
Good boy. You all done, Ed? You went down? Do you went down, honey?
Yeah, we'll go there. So we have a Graham didn't even go this summer. Well, we aren't supposed to go at all. And then I decided at the last minute. Graham was gonna get some stuff done after this.
You done? Okay. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. All you said was bub. Say bye-bye. Say bye, Mama.